tasty! Me too! Let's get a drink.
Good morning, everyone. Let's settle down and be.
Good communication starts with listening. When you respect another person's opinion and respond politely,
The way we speak to one another shapes our relationships. Always communicate with respect, listen carefully, and treat others with kindness.
When someone is speaking, give them your full attention. Good communication is about understanding others, not just. Kind words can make someone feel valued and confident. Before you speak, ask yourself whether your words are respectful. Respect is shown not only through your actions but also through your words. A simple please, thank you, and listening without interrupting. Now, take a moment to appreciate your friends. A small act of kindness or a few encouraging words can make someone's day. Be the friend you wish to have. Friendship grows stronger through respect, honesty, and understanding. Always choose words that encourage. Now, take a moment to appreciate your friends. A small act of kindness or a few encouraging words can make someone's day. Be the friend you wish to have. Remember, true friendship is not about how long you've known someone. It's about who stands beside you.
So, what's everyone excited about today?
I get to show my dinosaur drawing in class.
That's wonderful, sweetie. I can't wait to see it.
First, we have circle time, where we talk about the weather and what day it is. Then we do reading, and I get to pick a book from the shelf.
That sounds like so much fun, you two.
Let's cut up some fresh fruit to go with our pancakes.
We want to go to the kids' shop to buy toys. Yes, please, we want toys. Mom, Dad. Are you okay, sweetie?
Let me see, buddy. It's okay, we're here.
We need to get you to the hospital right away, sweetie.
Hold on tight, Tom. We'll get you checked out. It's okay, buddy. We're right here with you.
Shh, my brave boy, happy boy.
Look what I brought for you, champ. Your favorite oatmeal.
And remember, sweetie, always be respectful, kind, and considerate toward everyone at school, okay?
Okay, Mom, I will. It's too high. You need to jump. I can get it. Watch this.
Remember to wash your hands first.
Okay, Mommy.
That was so much fun. I'm really thirsty.
Me too. The mountains look so pretty today.
Are you two having fun back there?
Yeah, this is the best trip ever. It's so much fun.
Table manners are a simple way to show respect for the people we share a meal with. Sitting properly, chewing with your mouth closed, and speaking politely help make mealtimes pleasant for everyone. Good manners at the table.
Patiently, speaking politely, and eating neatly, we show kindness and respect to everyone at the table. These simple habits create a welcome